Ebusa for mo akwa braso say ye de enkomo twetwe no ebremo. Dr. George Domfe, Senior Research Fellow, University of Ghana. Doc Akwaba.
Yeah, Jamie.
Apombo Cordia.
Yehoa adongi abuko.
Yeah. Some women so I feel comfortable so I can want some kakra. Unu an me say suspend you me. So buy ye kan ye.
Okay, you already said I can now see me feel comfortable. I can meet me and crew and pang.
In Campa home. There's a good was empower and goosey one so.
I assume by Ubiaka Benka, okay. I'm issue upon my emre or na same CC yana ye oma omukasa omuna sebe omoshia kwaye faso ni amansan edinkuta ho na we de akwaye public na ayi de bia mempese meka ni bia bi na jama kwa meso me ho akwakire me okonbi so na ye kase ye nka de na ebeye amansan nyina asem na obi e ka bi na mso so eja me ho a meso me kira de na me nim de ye koso no asem kakra bia metimi aka ni se ya na akamfo bubu bi se wo hu se eja ato nua bi abodwusem a entempa wo so eso pinsu esi ede wo de ho sentini se obia se de kwaye fa so eto wo mo no menua adwuma na mu ne wo eno akwaye de be frɛ no occupational hazards no ebetimi ato obia at any time and they are very unfortunate say am ekobasa na manfo bi kansem bi efa yusua pon ho aneni kwa ze nka ede am ebasa but uhwe emuni niema kakra memisu ehunu amewo efi say me sha ase kira ade. Fortunately for me, I have taught at all levels of education. After training college, machira de primary school JHS baby
okay, uko primary uko training college.
Yeah, because Wesley College.
Hey sir. I see. Hey,
yeah, college 1998.
98. Okay. I see.
Intimate 20 chapa.
Now house bay.
Nami brew house. In fact, me na me assistant house prefect.
House prefect. Oh, okay. I see. When you say current GS director, also brew house.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a house captain.
Oh, okay.
Professor Gosiamankwa.
Okay. In fact, I agency a person came home. I say, your group 98, we are very strong. Okay. Unfortunately, I said the main mother, you know, I said the Egubisa, no Facebook. Don't forget
West Copano.
Facebook,
very strong. Okay. Now, you say me ko West Coast.
Me nimpa me no nimpa. Nti Ruben Shas.
Me so na me downward house captain. And talking about West Coast for me ankasa me nua Asarbedi ako.
Yeah, God.
New Crusading guy, God. I want to call no a mensek.
Yeah, mensek.
And I koseka na mensek.
No mensek.
Okay.
Mensek. No di mechi 1 year.
Oh, okay. I see.
Me elder brother ni we. Yeah, I want to be a journalist. I think he based in UK.
Oh, okay. I see. And yeah, share.
And yeah, share.
Now for continental.
Yeah.
Now for continental, now for bachelors.
So you need bad there. I mean, Alawanu ba na Alawanu ba. Alawanu ba na betche be so far.
Kai Wesley College.
Me go school be a this Wesley College.
Alawanu ba bu su be team. Alawana bo. Anyway. Okay.
Enti minia ye ka asem we no. Me sua hunu kakra me hunu enye am university nko ne yete hu sa ne ma we me ko kira de wo GSS ne ade ye teachers ne ne omo kira de bi ene ewo mi school mu ne mi area na me wo na yete sansam no se omo ne nkoda na bi da bi kura na bi fifa from a bi kura dan ne aware sa na me ka no
okay
internet so we asa ade na ya da bia ye ka ho asem se ochuchi ni ta ne na mofra da no especially memma no ene ma no say na ye hardly say eba okuta chokwa o kira de say be obija no ho ama bema akra o kire na de ba na tesi pa se
intense ba ko penesi ye ba bi esi no so nye Ghana ha so mo bi American
meti na se de no meti
sa na se de country ya omo president ya
no they say after that too
after that and start here na after bia no before ba and after ba
yes in the last one cry che
yes sir
and one in the last one
before ba and after ba be after go be before
there's uhuni see aso me ge group man ge nyi
David Hank empress yes so sorry
yo minia enti de na me kakra me pese me kire ni se sa de we etu obi anti aba no me yemfie ni nhwe am university no nko yemhwe ye secondary schools yemhwe am JHS ne yemhwe se tembia mra ye wonche se ebo man ho ban especially ti yemhwe se sa mra na any science ne wo no ye de be ye adwuma na tembia no enko ba se teacher ni bi be fa enam se office bi e wogina abofra ni ma wo tre na de nti no be fa mra ahye ne onu ni nsem na ide oni nkoda na de da basabasa ma emphasize papa ma ade ba kwan na ha adwen pan se kobasa na de fe ni discipline no ya na egu no because me man so de unya ne ba ko bibi pe eti se de wo be fi se bia oni ni mienu nko anenim ne na fofo nyina ani obeka unya ne koda pe obeka che ne na fofo ni nyina
say why dey
say opese unze man no musia no opese o mu bi ehun so on so so on so say ekoko basa dey na ama discipline dey atunsu mu kra because o yesa na say echiri no okukohu say ama woni ne koye bibi no na damfo afia enso atia enya ade a ekoyi kra nti minia mechanics na me kire say enya university nko e o ba bia na nti minia no ma teacher for so ye primary school teacher we university school teacher ye modern say ye be hye ho den kakra enya easy ba ye hye ho den ye ma Christosum de okọ asori no o ma ne bible entimi no de o ekramuni no on fa sa akwa no me sorry ayekọ ene ye nkramu ayesom nkyerɛkyerɛ ma ye kwa se ye be sa ne ma no yema sa di ma we mu emo ho ba se de be ya ye betimi ensure discipline e wo ba bibia ye wo bia mean sa na meka kakra meka fa asem wi wan
well so for me this mati bia na ye beto aso doc asami shase asagro bi ho ana bibia be fam ase di agro bi ne akwache wo mo me kasaba sa Western Togoland secessionist mpeso mo te mo ho because na nka ze nkombe kan Ghana ho mo se na nka ka so mo kan Ghana ho for a period bi na ade panimfo bi ho a no makanya mo ho kakra na se chichi bi che wo mo ne agya wo mo na se akwachi bi mo afro helicopter de wo mabankran ye so mo aye pusu de emfo mo nko now the ya tere say emrantie ne ababa 21 omo hye pobi mu e wo doji area ho ye kwachi omo ye so mo ye training asami yemfa na nibresem ana say yemfa say one of those things because your reporter call ho no tietie mu a o say ebi mu ho a omo so mo kra no mu nim se bibi sa na ekoso omo kono ye mo ka chi omo say do mo ko regular army training ani ye do mo ko wura ho mo na omo tete ho omo me say ben ka so omo tete wa na omo sensam ho a we 21 pe no ye nim say bi ya training bia mo makọ ene bia beduru ho ana say bibi sa nti ye nhwa wo na ye ni nkomo kakra na men ka say Dr. Kukufu nso aba Dr. Kwaba
ejoso aba
apombo ko de ade wokọ training camp na
me ko training camp kuma say
okay enti no ene answer na bebe wenya bedu ha de ene ye nka ye nhwe we no prekon yenuanom watch ade da
dabi
okay enti no ye be pause with the videos no for the meantime ye be san aba ho bi won kira ade da kra wan ye service baby a o kira ade
dabi
okay but megisa asemi ba e wote Dr. Butako and Professor Jampo asemi ye say baby aba be duru no say ye de oso ato mo so ye say suspend o mo and I feel so you refer omo akoma anti-sexual harassment committee bi that baby I kwa kudumi
mama ma ahefo nyina achi anope Na papa Dr. Lecturer first time I meet him.
Dr. Domfedo no.
Dr. Domfedo. Oh, okay. Yes, if you come say ba no anaju pa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ya maba wa no ba ko. Accident to kra de ka ho accident. Adwecha onyame fa ne kra nsi. O mampani ayi vote ayi no se ka ho accident.
Oh, e be ka ho accident.
Okay. Mate Dr. Professor Jampo ne onuanom asem no. Na marry ho. Kopim se ansa no nipa obekọ anim a aye adwuma duru mpempen so saa no na wabreye na bibi bia onka bi nhyiemu betimi ade saa susanso na ba. Indeed enye won ne de dikani fasa me mama asem no ade won abeduru ginabre bia enye nika penifo bibribia hodro no wiase afa na nyina eto won na we na koba ochirichire ni die am se jama abofra bia wi na wofo wi nyame na yi na wofo a ochirichire ni na eto aso if you said the child is put in your care but ansana abofra bedru tertiary na onye abofra pi se biu so to there be I mean say your camera no near camera no but at that level at the age of 21 22 23 24 years or matured enough she's an adult or na dwen or conscious of nia oye any of course a bit me about say through coercion and bibi you know
turning to the more cancer power imbalance.
Yes.
Lecturer.
Yes.
And
yes. It you know through coercion and bibi no bit me amanabasa. But what of the case say a year consenting a year. What you say? And yet power balance and bibi because we know a situation doctors who are nurses.
So minim say maybe crowd why encourage amorous relations between staff
as a policy
as a policy so that some be bibi sa any ba kun resign
na ba kun enkem
na ba kun enkem
eti other professions it happens more lawyer for you be enu a osimu kwan
yes except that minim say recently say ella na regulatory profession no
conduct
na ye de akwashim ba bi say lawyer ne client no so cry no
me can lawyer ne client as me can lawyer ne lawyer
well eno de
yes so yes lawyer and client it could happen some be worry but where a year wadwuma na wo ye nti na ema no ema sa advantage no ene ade na say so de ne ho ma ansa na wetimi ahweso aye adwuma that's where the regulation begins and that is where teacher need no apply critically so enti sempani ahwem no msemfum so wo bai na ombetwe anso a eno amitie ko news ni bi no sijama within that 6 months no am say do ombekọ orientation mu. Yes, I'm kind.
Yeah, sanity.
That's how I consider one day for. Yeah. Until within that 6 months, you know, we orientation we could 2 on 4 and no near day.
Or say, my kind also say. Now, in addition, the statement said Professor Jampo and Dr. Butako were required to undergo appropriate training on the university's sexual harassment and misconduct policy. They says our policy no you don't be training. Doc, muko ye mama ko training bia.
Yeah,
as an bet the university ye mama ko training
ye mama ko training. Yeah, in fact you don't be 1 week an orientation. Yeah, hono ye be the do's and don'ts. Ye mama policies, sexual policies are anti-sexual policies. All those we have quite a number of them.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
And men can be why? Or say as well as the code of conduct of academic staff of the University of Ghana. Adding that they would be required to receive a positive assessment after the training before resumption of their duties. As such as say. It's a better test.
bit technical.
And then they are also required to undergo annual assessment for a period of 5 years. Hey!
I said, what was our ball? Yo,
maybe said Dr. Rufus. I want what you say. It's assessment. No. So we are training you. I know you better test one as I say. Now test na be practical and theory.
Media send me who ne fan. Why nya home nko back bio.
Omo ankasa beka so omo nko.
Na 6 months training. Oko training no we are assessment ayi be ya.
Objective test.
Objective test. Do assess no also a failure. But you see, the punishment is so harsh. Harsh. Now, I say, from Swaba, you try one so. You tell me no money adwuma we invest here bio. Na nka tietia no bi atena ho ase. Ana from so mai ntimo nkoso nya madwuma. Ana from Swaba na emum senior from so no tie nya de a ye mam kotena fi a ebeboa. Nti in the interim no in the middle yeah BBC bia ya suspend them bia be 6 months ana of good behavior. Na masamba. Na ka end. But over cost 6 months suspension.
And sana afibia
6 months suspension no. You we be access no. And sana mfie num afibia no so ya access no. Ekwa akudru mfie num.
And sana in line with the university regulations, the two will be invited by the Anti-Sexual Harassment Committee in the next few days to assist with further investigations into the BBC documentary.
Oh, me unless the university authorities anyone investigation, maybe they know something we do not know, the public. Yeah, the one video na here na kakra no. That piece of information here. In the court of public opinion, you can safely say video na be putting be said anymore. Yeah, discuss it. Over Professor Jampo in particular, Abayan is not supposed to be a student. To start with.
It fails the text of sex for grades, no? Because there was no exchange.
Yes. The relationship, student friends say, professor and teacher relationship was not established. Unless they know something more, a beer, to be making it public. That one there, I agree, because investigations, we investigate investigators in between our DB, watch them. That is for your own sake. Yeah, no public and I be. What you say? Just why you from so to know why I feel switching be or be near them. That is what I suspect. Otherwise, the idea near who and any tea and any equity does not warrant such a harsh punishment.
Okay.
Again, Afibia. You be my test. Me person busa de ba ko doc ba boa me. Where a president have there been any precedent to this? And now where did
and am code no say na wom say bibi say sia kwan we na yede nipa kro no fa so.
Prescribed.
Me kra de me kan say ebia say na wo kan say de hu ye na nse dan is too serious. Ebia ntina ma de see yes. Enche bia papa bia na Madam for back on any French pa. Yeah, all history department. A bit on sa ma one dey in a decry. In fact, I idea a test. I
didn't been a tone.
I will not so a coyer sa semia say na student be na no exercise ona.
Oh, okay.
Mentem ho ase bi ba mu na ko pie mpanyimfo anim. Coyer nsensempi.
Okay.
Abraham no ka say papa no na djuma ya Jeffrey nsem kra na e kobasa so a say ye school no ye school pon kese pa ya nyina nim say the whole West African dey eno ni number 1 university na say yes
also Moscow
there be a grade yeah is the best in
ewo nkran ha
no West
because yenso ye de wo yenso ye de na ewo ho no da bia yenso ye wo no
enam edini a ye wo ene niema ni nti no so asem bi asi a obi apese dey I mean ohwe se de ebisi de edi no tina me ka say me say ebra enchemu no ebia ye public affair omo na mrama omo kwa say omo ncheche sansemi mu na de na me kan say me wo hono ensem a etesi ye te da ye teachers edida efa sansemi ho
okay
nti omo kra de ne de say ye ho aya adom say de 6 months echi ba kun 4 months ba kun 6 months omo nsamra but ebisu ono mo de a ye mom kofi kra
that's right
na say ukofie so a enam say ye school no make say ewodin nti no say yi wadi a anhwa ewiase ma obi ate the sent no pa adwuma bi ma ya wo brepa nti na nsia ye nua ba ko a be mfi mi nsa ni omo pam no sa akwa wi so no am abrabo aye dina man pa
wow
abrabo aye dina man pa ya mi nim no pa nti na make say
wow doc lawyer my doc mo amekakra because the wukike ya na okay BBC announce yibia I'm picking up my issue into about munya no public no mun put notice on public
yeah omo nsema yeta kan say at the end of the university na academic year no ye file report e ma yekuhia ma ye ka kire say afi nsemsi ni se nsemsi ni se ntu obi a wo university obi ade ya wote na emu asem ebesi ama no aye dede no na gina ni pesu na asem ne de e fa no so
and as a quite fast by because in this case
say BBC for so that say this enka unua bi e wo bantema na sase mi kwoto na e bia nko bi anya de asem betu no bi ante ba to pe so obi a beti sentini say
any a friend na wampem je ne
it's a professor Jampo you be a sabe otane mu media yi di
encounter
exactly enti obi anim ne dada enti e bia nke koye papa ba ko na na unfortunately so BBC so mu no omo so no enso ye a media house bia se wi ase afa na nyina ye kan omo so di mu akotene pa enti nipa na asem ne fa no so no any media house there dey okore party no ni nyina kan obi na asem no timi jimi na asa
doc na university omunim bibi more than ye hu video no
yenim kra na omfa ntudwam obi ante yes apart from committee na so your committee member so that's as NBC no wo hu na wo yire no ukunu kra ni kwaso omote no dey me didi pa say enya dey say beba out apart from the committee
but lawyer let me sympathize with them actually if you say it could happen to obibia me can obibia yeah me no matter where you find yourself additionally woman ya hwe tutu yani ya ji home na said the doc okay or public space you know bibi kakra bi na agentra happy na china na edo oba form ti baby a prof ne doctor obia
but so we can say to me to obia any other things na to a say ye hu de bebre sa yen ka say yen kata ye nso so but I didn't know yintimi mfa ne say esan say eye nipa mfum wo nipa ho nti no na say sa mfum na ba wo say ye no sa ma ne say nipa no say de o kan obia ko school a wakonye say de wa ye nti no afi ne so nimfa so obia biem
difficult say ba winim ade a adwuma wo adwuma mu ade ye de yi obi ade ne sa de kro na de promote obi
all right okay
bone crop bone bi obi be yi na di sa bone no so promote obi but that notwithstanding I think society near TBA yes so a doctor yes so a lecturer yes ko free a lawyer a society na make ye okay otherwise you are ordinary people yes sir it is a woody society di agro society cannot make you
okay
society do be bass to say
but one cause asan
society asan hwan enti eno ne the basis na say ye hwe hu ye no awie no yes obeya no akodu say but the ato asofo no enya se bi asebsebe wa ma churches asofo no ma wo sorry ayaji atumi akesi atu won
de na ato mo no
eye ma asem hintidua atu won
because said ye twa ba video mu na ato mo no
atu won enti and then in our offices penifo ahodo offices no me ade sexual harassment ne taking advantage of na on say ka corruption na mpempi ne de adwan kosisika ene agudie ho enko but the corrupt of the of moral turpitude, corrupt of social standing ni nyina ka ho bi ana a lead to your society ye hunu amane abeduru ne. Until we are all victims, we are all culprits. I contribute to a group. Until I continue to sympathize with them. Na my say a possible say a window of appeal. So window of appeal be or
sure say
yes, there will be a window.
And as a window look anywhere. So there when you say be when you court. There be. You bet me about say nipa no susu kwan ne fa so no nye kwan papa.
Yeah, so where kwasa judiciary. But if they think say be evidence no nye so weighty to warrant such a year. They have that and nothing na me no yeah ho no lawyer for.
Emrama kwasa say bibi say here ye ne school I mean your internal processes are obetimi akase bia prinso na no ama ntwa kan utimi call abontin minu ya making sabra me no kase we gina court sisi ya o prese e kwa ye fa so ye pam no ya pam no kwamba so
well
let us test all this
Kablan Avro say example a man said doctors and nurses no or say onyintum because they are both professionals in different categories anyway so that example doesn't apply. Well, I said it applies because your father said doctor or nurse na ye adwuma ho and you know the view is that says ankita hodi no koso a bit me affect the discharge of omunti.
Yes.
Hospitals bibre ho a okwa mo sa policy no and ye ntias yes doc inti emra secession is na 21 suspected western Togoland secession is rounded up near ye pictures no so hwe ya mrantie na yakofa omo ye 20 member obaba ho eka ho enti yenka ho asem yemfa ne serious and say yemfa ne so we ya che omo awie enti no yenya ne sa
me da say meka say yemfa ne serious ba we dey me kai say bribi and last week me ko bi chem say me kra mo say me school na all students here congress
okay
na me fa am akwanya so na me nchia am nobles nyina I say it was very successful am congress ba na ma mi bia na ye na ti be chem na ne kunu pekasa kra ye friend Mr. Frimpong okay on pekasa kra na ne yire no antikunu pekasa pa
wagini kunu kasa na
exactly na ye da ni na on so da ni na ja ya na tambia antikunu no aduane na ebika na ja o da pass me ne bi no frame say me mra me fa aduane na me ko no say ne nkwantre dafo na me kuti aso na nkwantri ko buye na ne kunu no ti hwa no o hwe me an no say dada me so say na e frame dada asem ni fie akofa asem abafie ye say asem ni fie say ma me si pekasa de nkwantre ba ko na ebu no ahwe abusumi mienu me ba no onka dada asem ni fie akofa asem abafie ebi ni de am AC asem ni Ghana ye ti we hia na ye hu say de haye yare mu haye efi haye so poverty any am school ko nye ufe wiase afana country be a develop bia no uframe adults 100 adults over 90% am ako school adu am secondary school or higher OECD countries even the US crowd there is over 95 Singapore and 1964 mobile hama ebo mobosia no and all frame adult 100 bia 88 a US secondary school or higher until they are developing you say you will be a friend in knowledge and economy you say e won ye wo ya ha bon na ekuyen Ghana me ne wo ka say o free 100 adults bia emu 15 pe na etimi akọ secondary school and as dey abroso enti sa na ma we ni e dey how e kwa be na e be fa so e be ma obi a dey enye suku akọ o mu ahia wo ma sabe o mu so we ade o mu be di kro mu ni no e kwa be na e be fa so e be nye sika ma e dey o mu didi ana papa yi ko fa Pakistan ni India asemi ya o mu ko asase bi hu ye ntwe nkwa ye kam ho ye nkam ho a akofa nsensem bibribe ama bi enipa domu wuo ama bi ye sesika ya nke ha de nke zika kakra ebenya nke emfa ma enipa nko school ye emfa nko hia hospital ye ni bi ye emfa nsi bi ankobasa nipa bi atena ba bi no mabo mu ti mu pose ye nka Ghana ho na Ghana no menu a ene de ba de Ghana no ye nkro bi a omo ti omo ho ase no omo ka omo bo mu ya 6 March 1957 omo G2 mu say ye be frɛ sa omo ai Ghana ye nim de si ye 9th May 1956 abato a course wo sa bia na enam sa abato ni nti no ema emra ema omo be ye de frɛ Ghana no nti Ghana no e sha 6 March 1957 tama Ghana e sha ase no na omo so abeka ho ama omo eye Ghana fo enti na wo te ho na ame wakɔ he na wo te ho ama enne be mo wa ye ya na a chen ye ne ana medwene ho amenti ase enti nka ebetimi a nka yen fa ne se a very serious problem pa na yen hwɛ kwa ye befa so a you be deal with it immediately and say na dey agency because amama bi a sa dey we asi ho agency mu no emfa asomdwe ma ho da takra me kan fa ho amene.
Okay, well, I'm saying for Enua Erica Jabeka, Erica Kwaba. Why you late? Pa.
Tiki pa.
Nti. O say nka na ye twe aso. But
Ejuma na ye na mo ana.
Oni ya na nti o so ye late. Sa.
Me ko new place on. Nti e affect me usual.
Say utu.
Me ko baby foforo.
Okay.
Ena kwan no so mo ye baby ejuma na ya block baby. Nti udru ha say traffic na +1 na na be +5. Nti no na affect.
There be two crowd there ya there a disorganize papa nti meti ase nti cool down kakra na fe yemra. Doc, ye hwe sa ase
me pa ahwefo a chew. Onza mentanye late.
Omo de a chew. Odovu. Yes sir. 21 suspected Western Togoland secession is rounded up. Say yes will be a comma tip off. But for that, Kayenim said the baby sa kura guru mu. Ye course ye kwa kwachi omo so omo amu treni omo no. Yes omo adwane. Ena ya kwachi we num. Ye do omo minim baby kura hesi omo but sana etie. Interview say course no ye reporter ko bi. Also omo say omo mu nim say omo catch omo say omo ko army. Nti na omo ko ye. Asmo ho ye nyomo dan.
Emra ni oni. Said emra sie. Na ye man ba ko e woni senior Dr. Kai. Mate me ho mempene ni nyese. Agro no phone yatete ho sa. E beda be nyanda kro na again grounds. This is the time esese yitimi etu sa de na se. Yo manfo bi a ye passim strase etimi madda se adwumadi anu mu di no ho na nipa bi nim ana nipa bi ni ho mpopoye ba as to see be yi bambofo asutire entem na ye be sia no kwan no ni issue no mrebi ka so ho ba bi se bujumbura o se ne ko ba se nkrofo bi tire ni ho denden bi sa bi sine ente ho asem isine yente ho asem menya nte pen sa menti fido bisa ko so ankrofo bi training krofo bi wo ho sa na say o mem na your selfish interest nti ye be pese basabasa ye beba na obi biara mofra ne ma e wo mem bedi senseme nipa bedi senseme ebedwane agya ya fie ho imfuo ni enwuma ebedwane agya ho a ade asisi ma ho hia pa enunti as politicians as for amayofo titiri akandifo say ye kasa ne ye kasa yaw so ne ye kasa fa omen a mu be basabasa mu be sakasaka na a very serious issue. Very, very serious issue. Now, I'm saying recently, electoral commissioner Namuntu out, and in the media would deal with the new voter register. Oman penny dada, Mahama. Statement to make it and yadia a boa or my canco, and your my assumption.
No.
So I say electoral commission, you may do and say about 2020, but so I say, Biaba, you're the best electoral commission.
So, my said you also moyeno.
Oman, you're the no pay. The only NDC
for na no asem no.
Na dey be na wo pe. The only NDC pe and say my enye voter register. Anuti no my demonstration free soro abeka for. Anuti no mti radio so ni TV so every day and then ekuta electoral commission e super one tete one senior ade bi enye. Offer abem before so be fra abem na on count more than 8 times. Now I can't defend the electoral commission omo independence and the electoral commission wa omo wo nyina so say omo betua na mo de be ya de abo man.
Ube connect you to the secessionist way na na.
Well,
linkage no.
The linkage in say ade bia ye kan asempanifo amayofo ye bia ya no aka identity mu e de okon e de o how beba beto o man so nipa bi ti ba bia onya inspiration free mu obi a woni adwen papa no ni adwen bon o wa adwen bone e for man ho ni ade they take inspiration from some of these.
We omo inspiration no e well defined.
Yes, they are.
Say na nkan se so mo ka Ghana ho eno mo de edo mo be ka ho no mo apese mo beti mo dada nti mo de mo pese mo kọ baby kro mo pese mo omo inspiration no
nti
enye ne ekoso o mem ha se o man ko yi na man ko yi.
Okay, nti on a peaceful means no pese mo konya sa
well nkom kwara mu nya ne sa we listening to them no say ye nya o mo no mo nkote o mo man
nti peaceful means my it is a training way no secessionists, no? It means they are taking the armed struggle option. Yes, sir. Now, armed struggle option, no. It to ebe mu emamu ebe boa emo say yesi china yakoto aba na pinchi aba kumase we don't you think say give them the ahoden ne friends say nyina so mum enye do mpeso mu ye. Yes enti yen momodin na yen kai hu se oman a ye nananom digya ye ni won abeye bi yen ye duru ye so ne ye bi ye twemu tan a ye bekọ ye twemu tan wo pa di president 2 times 3 times bra ko san ko na bra na ko na bra ye lawyer ye teacher ko one day we will go na ye bekọ no esisi ye kya oman no ema akire ba enti me de se yen sa so omumu a esese ye didi agro yan hwehwe those who are behind it womu a eye sa training no and now be wodim say krofo a ya chi omu a no ko mpese omu yeku a omu dam ne omu da ho egu edam ni nyina kwa na ba besi ni nyina kwa ye intertwined ye committee e ka se be mo memu ay basabasa ye mo president Akufo-Addo no ho be hyehye ne sa akonnwa no kro ntimi ntena so ono anu bedwane agya oman no. When you make these public pronouncements, political figures, known political figures, because of opposition o pese oba abemu nti ana chinchinchina se tumi bedi wo na medi wo de ne oman ne nse. These are the niema sisa Ghana for atwe adwen koso ne hu wo mu really wo mu do oman.
Answer Mama Erica, but we say as of mine, you serious with the when this any power we say fashion.
I don't think say I serious.
Yeah, yes serious.
Yeah, I don't think.
And this
is the time. You see, sometimes and near many be or say ukuta 2 means so. Ube pese ube hwane kakra say e bia kokobo nom ne ade na no ye de omuko ye se pani no wo about 80 something years. It's on humanitarian grounds so I am ene or tiapo ene ade edi se obi kura bebusa papa kokra aye we ni ade ni huhu ne de
omo tiapo no so
that's the point. Enti for me
no ye ntia bisa sa asem se e na no ya chi ye de omo ba obi ntiapo ye jaa wo mo e kan ho kakra ne san akwa mo bi mo ba ye se de yakudu se ya mpa se nipa na egu ho no de se omo ye no mo ya mpa e ho na akwa kuduru se ni obi ne hu ye okokan ya and there's no indication me what I say security forces and I say ubisa ne hu so it tells me say possible say ebia sa apono mu ho no e pofoforo bi wo ho adi pa wo ho ebia omo do omo nko kan say de ebia obi hu ya akokan yi entina ye boaboa no entina mbisa say wo ye sure say ye ni abrese
ba lawyer the way I handle wo mu aye no me jitu ye handle no ye properly.
All right,
but no just say no security apparatus na not working. Okay. We are because we been a coca any other day. Ebia for security reasons intimi money ma bontin But I see a TSA. Say national security, any people are all around. And don't forget, say, President or Pomo. A honor president, you can approve. Nancy any other. So, you're careful.
Okay.
Now, as on my report to some of these things. Because a bar, you're back for
a day in answer. Eric.
Yeah.
21 suspected. The bar first in the 1 man to maintain say a big on the Emra we see. University of Ghana, Dr. Professor Jampo and Butako. We can be. I mean, say be still our comment.
Tiki me that say, me chair His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Nyame Adoma, and I award Ebe, or started tour Western of Speak Out Tour.
Okay.
The that's on Nip in Yanama Western. Montreal na Papa Bahono and Moby Dinky Town. Tiki, this very topic, very sensitive. Now, the sensitive and say, oh my, Yahoban Bassem. And see, more of a Kukufu Kasa or Kofa, former President Mahama Kasa or Kani Baby Bemuno. Na Yamena Kakra. But Oma Matias, a man yourself near Bayampa. And Ra, Union and Abwatching and a bee. On MPP, or more yet test conference or so in Volta region. Na also microphone was quite on fast so cassette President Mahama no. Well, you perceive a society discourse in the public domain. Penny a penny. You better not send ye discussions. Me share nipa hodo a many or more ye discussion. Na ma measure any day na me dia mom.
Clarity was say
the same language. Asemo kan na me wo fagina so kan asem. Me wo fagina so kan asem o enti na me ko ho no. President Mahama asema okaya ne say electoral commission onye sutie no nti the other parties ne can be because at the end of the day ye kokoto abawie na asomdwe ba eyaya dia oye ne ba wona wo ye referee no say we take a entrenched position bia achire na asem bia esi a nipa be point ye nsa wo so meji this penny ne kan asem we a won kan asem bia ehu a ye be link to this debate a ye wa. What am I saying?
But what for? I mean, personal clarity we say in free war. Say electoral commission council obey register.
Yeah.
And obey any way. Yeah. Then some na was say see.
TK.
Why the be fast as mama na bisi.
TK.
Then why would somebody decide to
say
electoral commission
yes,
say or yeah adwuma?
Yes, say osum body a sum kwadu. Nti da bia wo dwena ya nwene nkofa anko say ha na wo say kwada bia. Nipa ho adwuma na ye. And you know, we politicians, ye nim say amanyoku bia nipa mpempem na wom obi afiri ne fie mu na abeka ho nti obi a ni suni ne ban a oyeden wode aba and this ye political parties ho adwuma enu nti na upon the law ne de ekeka ni nyina achi no eso onya sutie na uti de nipa kan to da because at the end of the day the other baba bia na should be in the interest of the nation ana nti kasa na papa ne kan no won kan kasa bia e was a modern to apampa so de na bi kika ne no na a very reckless comment. And what's our Kasasa or Yeminia? Because baby a President Mahama starting a political career or dear could do. I feel na yeba. What am I say? Ye better nasi. Meet me a Kasimbia Manafa sitting president. Hope I can't tell me some mention sign. If you are minim the Munamin Sakasana American, and I'm a boy. But while let him say Trissan was a sign. Inti Sakasa and on the issue of the Esino, may I buy one penny for a crown when you want ticket. Nanado dan kwaku fu ado aban betena konwa so o ka kire Ghana fo se adwuma ne so nti ye ma ne kwan no nyi asoafo ahodo dodo mbeboa na ma na ye na adwuma tiki ukofa MPP manifesto now ko chapter 14 page 147 every insecurity aspect na ekoso under President Mahama's regime no ye attribute everything to the president then. Utie pa. Every idea be an cause insecurity in the system. And then no be na SEO. Insecurity aspect. Aban waba. Ghana for am wakwenye ni nyina mwayi national security minister. What sense kura yi ni deputies aka ho. Who interior with deputies, who defense with deputies. National security coordinator, deputies, advisors. They say the more you crack or district level, more district security coordinators. But as I mean, who can you first gather more intel? You more DA Juma. And kofo ya se mi nye na start ye mo ba ban mu na ye hu. Eye hu no te se de wo kan yetimi chi obi ye se eja no. ohwe ni age a ye ma nsem hwanyan tike na me problem kra na say the word secessionist no ye kofa na here dey amankofo
o sa omo su no omo ban ene ne omo ye no na
wakan omo report no after the incident it happened you know Ghana web story na one wakan
me who Ghana web story
yeah Ghana web story no I say I have a copy here now all kind story na me who the person e kire because in one story you say enkofo no bi mamen kan kranchire no nie date near 18 February 2020 or say Western Togoland military recruits evacuated from Fiavi to Accra Utie military recruits no say the 66 artillery regime in the whole has evacuated some 21 persons, including a lady believed to be receiving military training from a secessionist group, Homeland Study Group Foundation, in tickets of Omobo Kronidin, a trained community on the Ghana-Togoland border in Ketunov, municipality of Volta region. Also, the recruits were rounded up in a down operation by the military following weeks of surveillance. Lieutenant Colonel Bernard Bamba, commanding officer for the 66 regiment, told the media that they pick intelligence of illegal training camp in the ticket and launch operations at down with over 40 military officers and men and 2 crime scenes investigators from the police. He said during the operation, 5 of the recruits, including their instructors, escaped but was arrested later. The commanding officer said the operations were not over and that they were on the heels of the secessionists and working hard to flush them out. The Ghana News Agency was told the recruit between 19 to 30 years were told they were being trained for Ghana Army. Uti. They were being trained for Ghana Army and made to submit the academic certificate and to pay 800 Ghana cedis each. What kind of story ya? And kwa na ekọ hobi no. Ese ye mamunya ne ntie se ye ekọ Ghana Army.
Saa nipa na
omo wo ho no bi. Omo recruit omo no. Ena me bu so so nti all those national security apparatus na mabobo no. What are we doing in the system?
They did it on their blind side.
I don't,
and their social media.
What are we talking about?
Obi to me send a message, bro, say, or BBC or BBC.
TK, then what are we talking about? Are you serious? To the extent to say, OBC a fan Ghana Army, on fan certificate, in for 800 Ghana cedis in Kahon. Yet Timachi or more training. Then we come back telling Ghanaians, oh, we are secessionists, no, and they're to team. And don't forget, South secessionists who say here for no. Nkofo so issue statement to almost statement in we 10th of January 2020 or say Homeland Study Group Foundation say omudin no almost so kire say sansem na omokeka so omu training nkofo bia na omu ne ho hwe now kind story no kwa akira there's a place omoka say in the Volta region no the regional minister Dr. Lester eka say media houses ninja so omokeka ho nsem ne ade na even one station a your friend Then Tong Mirifi station says North Tong station said that.
Yeah,
yes. Oh, good. Sanema way na kahobi. So the person mature say, I said there's no consistency or information.
Are you suggesting say any way they have nothing to do with the secession?
No, omonya clear. The security apparatus no clear
because enra utie omo
metewasio.
Yeah, reporter.
Utie military penino utie papa no. So utie no pa.
Yeah.
Tiki utie no per the intel omanya e no makọ e na me kire say aban na otie akomia so na de we start ye no kwanya ye fa so a handle na say enye serious on it.
Dr. Kokufu no ya agree.
Let's be yes on that kind of we are not yeah serious. Then at the end of the day obetini say a deployment they should go to the bush and search for others. What are we doing as a country? Are we serious at all? And don't forget Eban under President Akufo-Addo as Commander-in-Chief of Ghana Armed Forces. O my Ghana security na SMBC a one fan a serious one. Tike me no te o my Ghana mu. E na takra den kwala irae. Awofo no tia ye dede na police administration ni aban mu mpanifo bi anka hwemfa ho. Canada for be that we speed the national security apparatus go Ashanti region.
Eric,
me can see asem so.
Ya overflow sa matter.
There be ya overflow all kasano. President Mahama comment o make yimpo enya bone no link it to this issue.
Because me say
and this is the same
spirit tract of
no, not
secessionist no matter.
I'm making reference to security matters in the country. They said in their manifesto everything and insecurity na President Mahama no. And I remember what he say. Eba the President Akufo-Addo administration eba the Ghana for won ban bo won take it serious because won take Ghana for serious ade we ye kwachi mpanimfo na edi animu no e wo say etimi hwa ama na escalate ko do level a ye say training kofo ye suspect say ye training ama mo ba mo chi ban no intel ben ye gather for we don't do anything masa ye besre intel no na information where you create information because a pen kofo na military for na grant your interview no so what your man asem what nsem o mo keka that is it enkofo no person che so mo nye secessionist meaning say state apparatus na niema bi nko yi e na obi timi gina kwanchen ho ye ko say me fa wo military brand enko training we should set up President Akufo-Addo appointees near the okita 125 o ka kire Ghana for say adwuma ne so tike e kom de na wasumdwe na da hu hia ana meboa ye wo nyina no yasomdwe ntie timi da kakra enti se ye befa wo excavator 500 400 na onya asomdwe da tike wo da wo na
me obi am for my excavator
so mo wo mo so re mo de ade bia ba na mo de foforo abe
okay well Dr. Gogofu
yes sir
my mention say feel because omampani e kwa pro na nensem o kan bi no o say achievement silence skeptics other vows will be kept, President says as he tours Uti region. I have shamed my opponents. Even if you say, no man penny, what corners why are there? Say, you man, there shall na we. Na skeptics have shamed opponents in India. Ebe musing. Mario.
Where we? Because I can be account.
Say be mu say near why no aka o se maye. Me so oti ho no makoho. Ti minim ne ekoso ho. Me hu o makwan. Me hu o monsase. Me hu ne me bebre. Me ko ho December ya.
The di kan nanka ye ni Uti region. Enti Uti region ka new regions are President a share bo be a twam so be president or be say betete amantam ni bi aka honti and Uti region be ogina kasa na akra one of the promise in the south ne binum susu se nke ntimi nye ntimi nye oh yes
ye chemu no hey
ananim se na binum campaign tia
of course but say enye ye de
na only a campaign tia say me referendum no me
referendum the two ya na the creative regions why the gina was on support
me tell and go say me tell binum can say and me say topic ho
e bia na dey support na binum support just say same president Akufo-Addo de be yenko ade ne lalai enti ba bia ogina kasa na kasa ye ne saw a major promise redeemed. 2 or can so be one village one dam. You can say enye yi. Na say bi kra de ba say one village one dam kra ye. Amina donko bi ne atuo. Afi de omu ko ba ya omu si ade no kra omu na sha ase NDC person e share sa dam na se. Waye. O kan say obema nkoda a eni bie na nso so asese omu ko school kwa free SHS. Dr. Kasana say bi twam na me kra na de masua de pa. O say amama ya ye between 85 to 90%. Yes sir. And population enim atwere ne akenkan akọ school atra secondary level. Yes sir na kan. What the bag na 15% or how much num as we speak today. Enti na o kan bibi o say na de ye wo wi ase ye knowledge and economy.
knowledge economy.
Knowledge economy. Just say nimdie hu sika.
Nimdie na oman tumpon.
Oman puntuo. Enti a major niswadi hunu to lift Ghana from that level. And when this if can say nye omu can say nye no kre ontimi nye 2012 presidential debate IE debate tamale Sabrano President Mahama or say enye possible free SHS entimi nye ne education minister Mr. Neokran anyane baby ko or say gisem fie aduonu ni fie aduasa chi enye possible. And this is 4 years, yes, he now be a sika de be free SHS because in a boarding it's not possible. Entina enye ye home no na edua wo mu. President as more can so or person achievement silence skeptics. Skeptics.
Yes, and the modern born now abono.
Yes.
Ama mo say ye na akoma no atu.
Akoma no atu.
And na maybe say for or mind penny no. Should that be his position?
Sebeya untie sebeya ofofro because ye can come here hu ye come unu atazi driver now no take mu sisi a woko ma me ama wo mredane ni amakrum onu ne ye kama me na onu no waso ado peton nyado ani tomato oba ntomadwom so onu ne ye kama no kire se ya amayofui obi beba be kana sem obi beba be kana sem obeba be kan cho se suku a ye kodokwa no ehuni mfaso president Akufo-Addo no timenya ehuni mfaso enne doctor me ehuni se eye ade a ye o man fa pempa anti se president etini ayo na ayeye na yekutamu na ye de koye ni mu a ese se obo hu dawuro na nyo no beka na asem na wa bie no beka
ya obo hu dawuro but say minim se menka no baby ankwada ka se ba say so mo se minim maye. And I mean, and should that be the posture of the president?
Still, I want to say,
being interested.
The original chair is to me,
and so my year,
and my year.
Now, so no, a day, the INE, you see, if he has a swipe back. Now, as a year done, you know, more can't see into me, you know, and dear man,
why making reference, sir? Who baby a wujina?
Because the entire mechanism, may show bit to say, he said, acquire I can ye. Maybe find to be to say Moses would di Israel for any. You see a cocaine. It will be among problems. To the extent that almost among Moses look around and be seen a book. Yamebufu ye cry or person any pan almost see Moses aboard. Moses Nankasa cook Jinamuma cool down. Because when him say nipa skepticism the hour, but what managing in quite and also. New media, they are sending son. Sana me madwin sa posture na me hu
o man penny o man penny o ntida Nyankopon bufu ye no man penny na Nyankopon nye leader o man penny Moses dia no Nyankopon bufu ye na Nyankopon nye leader
na Nyankopon sa na meka oni Nyankopon ono na otwe aso
Nyankopon bufu kwa sa na Moses ko interview na mo the truth ne say eto da bia ne mu oya. If you see a dear man yourself catayani, a dear yeno cre, a dear beboa manfo, a dear bemo minor tumpon, a dear a bemo here new one more browa, Risia Janka, or no cranfua ye wejan and quadami and son. No nim crumba faso mbeko school. Now, baby, but no say, ye do a mind sick, mind up a dear besho school. A dear king and some near Genia Casaway, ye. Yam Shani and ye. Let's just obey your my dear. Now we have been on Tranchain near to Twaboba Park, so near see the Garebe Guanium and Yabe Garim near best sen and never boying in a. When you mutatia, as a soul man dead, say my yo. Or my penny amanensi or say, so all kind of the other aspect, or say other vows will be kept. Just say near once you and then see a word or near month where dear. Say obe tuana mo bia no ni nyina so ebe follow. Indeed, yen kan say o man na wie pepepe wi osenia obi epe no da bi. Na emom me sha no ba me kan say meye ba ko mienu miensa ebra yi gina mu die batimi di we mato ha di we mato ha di we mato ha ebi akam na yenye oya meyo ana migusu a meye kopem se bia memre beso. Enti the bottom line is say ehun behia se bra no ye koye nim ne be ma no kre adedi sa ya mayofo ye bold na nea eye yakase ye enu na be ma kwan ama nea da enye no ye kase nya obi biara beji atum
okay
na se ye de be kata ye ni na ye twia fa so saa ye ni twia se ye one district one factory ye se monye hwe ye ni twia se kumfi juice na e produce bay ye se monye hwe
okay
ye ni twia one village
one na so ntimema unua emrem bi menka we say now that the promises have been redeemed my opponents have been put to shame and have nothing to say again. Doc, do you have something to say? And you're not your opponent, no?
Okay. Okay.
Eric, who your opponent?
Oh, me the President Kufuor.
I'm your opponent.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, all right, okay. But
So
I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor.
Yes.
I said sometimes you are in this so.
Okay, yo, me na me da say. Efa achievement ye man penyin e ka no say obusa me ho asema bia me economist na eno na me de bo me bra na me de me bibia me pese ka obama me koyan ka me look at it from that angle say ye hwe economy no from 1957 ba I mean twetwe da ya wo ni ba bia ya kopempem ne de aye nyina de abedu ba bia ya dure Ghana aye oman bia ma menka ne say economy no okay say me for one word and describe Ghanaian economy and normally I do it even in Ghana and outside Ghana me presentation me can say Ghanaian economy is a useless economy.
It's a useless
economy.
Useless.
Yeah, that's
I mean
that's the only one
for all the time and answer
from
make
Ghanaian economy.
Okay.
Tim me can say it is a useless economy. Now me can na machirichi mu say the thing say akoye business as usual from 1957. Who policy initiatives biya ye pese dey you did disentangle yourself from baby a de biya ye I said
does it not offend our opposition say amama no more communism no a knowledge economy now you have a government that says okay biya school say
me kan nyina boma banam de abisi de ne ye we me say ye wo nieme pi wo ho yanka Ghanaian economy nke say nka edum pempenso bi a ko bi a ho beton na so free 57 ban we a policy initiative am ka say yamma mpenyin na odi kai no bi pa no I mean opepa unfortunately the external aggression was so high nti a brain ni ho ntimi nkomu I mean in detail but what happened is if you ho ban akoye business as usual ma me nkwa abonten na me nkwaje bosia na me kokoje bosia ne ba na ma ba be ye ade kakra bi me be ye ade kakra bi na amanfo de aboye nsem kofi de wa ye ade na because atimamufo no sebe kakra bi nanim se bosia na yekobo ade wieye no de yekobo bosia de nim anso ship house mesi so timamufo no dodo na nim se ship house o yesi ye nim se
homuta ye betua
na ko bosia na se nka ye kan se ye nkakra na ade esi ade bi amfie dunu na nka esi betan eso so okwa ade ba kwa na emi ankra so mo ko bosia na the friend reckless I mean borrowing no omumfa sabi nimdia ento ho ntom kwa de be mum bia no any coupon rate
si ho bia
na omakoje na ode aba oje ntema be ya de bi na ode brigand of any so e de ma be say the business as usual economy and create job me ne woti hey hwehwemu ada di pefe me kan de bia say every year bia no nipa over 300,000 and they are ready to be employed say you can say new year on my enter labor force Ghana government has ability to employ only 5,000 of them. I say it everywhere that I go. So, the Ghana government, I mean, you say, baby, when you economy, the Brunibeka say, the small open market economy. And you know, any abai ni to me, and I say, abai ni, in Sobia said, they on the baby juma. Government does not have any business being business. A private sector, and yes, I what didn't you matter to call my private sector and the young intimate and intimate pay for private sector need to meet the essay, and the Ghanaian economy, no, the useless comment na me make here, no, make us say I useful. Now, me can na Kufuor do achievement, and then na me bona baso was our so. Sentence say, I did my private sector, if you move a year 2014-2015, and the deep face Ghana, a juma bebegu. adwuma egu ni nyina no ende ma me nsente na ma adwuma no dodo na egu me yensa ba ko ye friend the cost of energy wo hwe abibire mu nyina especially West Africa ye ka ba bi nkani board de pa na Ghana ka wo de fa ye figures no na hwe afi bi ya hwe nkani amu to ane ye to adoso ama akodu pempenso bi afei cost of energy obi bi adwuma na electricity bill ntino na adwuma na gu enti ye kire nkora de no omu university na omu nya adwuma nye omu nya adwuma nya na amanfo kase ye ne ye nkire omade yi menua ade ba koso na esa kum ye pa ye the friend no cost of credit interest rate
obosia ensi hu no
ensi hu me no kase ko UK sesi a omu policy rate na interest rate no is 0.7 5%. And 0.7 so what I say meaning na 25.5% ye memo yeah and no in fact the whole Africa na the second highest after Namibia. We are only better than Namibia and etimi aba 16% enu baby esi do it is still very high because of that the lending rate and 34% and about 23%. Me, I'm achieving because I'm so passionate when it comes to job creation. I mean, PhD me no
so
labor.
Am I?
Labor. Ekwe be faso ebe man for anya adwuma aye. Na business as usual say yenko bobusiamra na private sector na say ya ade papa na ye man kwa mani nyina so onye de ebe ye na tambia na nkora wie school na wie school a 10 years na wunya adwuma anya na wonenam. So what I say? Emwa tisa wo se wo ye o man enam say yenye bibia wa hanti no na man economy na be dey import dependent economy bibia ye bedie bia no this yakokra free amanone wo yes am say na make say dey useless da bia make say me as last week 2 weeks and back kwa me kan cocoa nko ano kese amaga na yetimi ayi
that single product
cocoa no because cocoa no globally no cocoa fetches global economy about $115 billion every year
near the same
Ghana 4 bags of cocoa bia ye beti new years bia no 1 bag is coming from Ghana quarter is coming from Ghana. And 115 billion divided by 4. How much are we getting here? Almost 30 billion. Ghanaian government budget is just $17 billion. And Ghana government can be comfortable to say that the main need tax. Obia mfano huni. Na main first main sika aye kwai aye bibia. And if we are not doing this, na say cocoa ni yesa near the amanone ne de be the kokoche near komu de kocho mu we no mu the critical US every year they get $20 billion from cocoa. Now what you know when you 2 billion now we bon say ma business as usual. That is my problem. Now kwajo busia so no say this hu say si hu bebrebe nti na busia hu si hu nti no we ye budget we expenditure no about a quarter of it we say they could share interest we koye the friend interest payment no. Last year we spent 70 billion Ghana cedis. We had to spend 20 billion out of that on interest payment. Busian kitenkiti bi ekobo be niam kitenkiti bi. Na ehun si hu no. Na taxpayers money near the yenti enye sika enyi kwai. The whole year no we spent less than 5 billion on infrastructure development. Ekwenye school die sem ne ade. The ade ko tu ya kankwa na ye niam dada na ye no. 20 billion. It doesn't help. If you do this business as usual, na ye ko amanone ne ye ko kraba, na ye debia ye si di ni sai, na amanfo ho chiri wo mu. I mean, we need to get serious. Eti mi ade ba ko a mebo abawe ya baso e won achievement na wo kan. Eye ni policy initiatives to increase what we call local production. Eye ade a ye ho research ato dadaada ya ka se ebetimi akoye nim a ye modern se ne madodo na ye ne Ghana ha no ye die no ye be dodo na ewo ha. Na dodo nso ubeya na o primary sector agricultural sector no emfa ni agro o secondary sector especially manufacturing sector me emfa ni agro. Over the last 2 years I've seen manufacturing sector growing around 9.3%, and that has been the highest in our economic history. Which growth. I love. Yes, 9.3.
Oh, okay.
In the manufacturing sector. Agricultural sector is also growing 6.1%. One of the highest growth rates we have recorded at that sector. For the first time in 30 years 2 years ago, we recorded trade surplus. That means say your import value is now below our export value. But you see, some positive achievement we are doing, and then corner ye who be. Me who say eba na amanfo beka say won say amanfo kraka say the mo Kenya mo because we don't feel it in our pocket. No credit do mo beka say no o mo ka economists because economists are na e kire no.
economics etike yomuminu your friend macro economics and your friend micro micro no ni e da wobotom no and na macro no
eno ye me de no bi
exactly
me de dam botum na
macro no ye de oman ni nyina dey sika sem se de esi ato esitie minua ehwehwemu ada di pefe na and that's rightly true say macro na anye ya micro no enye da nti eye setembia macro no benya baabie de ne ntima ye dey esi ansa na micro no dey atimi atoa so na ye de ne de nti ama yawo amentwetwe da bepem ne ye ma Kwame Nkrumah be so mu no macro no 57 to about 1960 na macro no ye pa na gito nsemu na say ya kopim say de okoye no anye ye bio kopim say 1984 so Rollins dey call economic recovery program 1983 no 1984 to 1987 Ghanaian economy was the best performing economy in Africa macro economy ni bibia chase say dey ya satem nanka nipa bebrebe warishe mu se ba bia ye duro no de nanka ye kwa no nanka ka no aso ano nanka ye kwa no menua efiri ho ba no na sa gin ho na sam 2002 to 2005 I call it the golden period of Ghanaian economy. The economy has never done so well in economic history than that period 2002 to 2005 on say interest rate crop ba former mafi na banks so that is how we develop the economy no the aim is say yan say ntimi an sustain ye firi ho ana ya sa ba na menua ye history bi a mamenka that is say aye ma fe no maka 3 periods o but sa 3 periods ni nyina nsa na be ba sa no ni e de enwa koma of IMF ama
ye ho akodi adwa
o mo twayema ansa na e de ya chase say e de ye ni 1984 ya ye nyina no of Rollins the 20th April 1983 or the Kodom IMF 2004 2002 the American was me ekwe nyina ko for buy or the echo of Epic sabre year e de yayi ni me kan ya me ka say dodo na free April 2015 economy na tete pansam kra na de koma of an IMF omo ba no omo de aba be see yeso
ni disciplined
in fact last year ya no omo free ha April last year no omo free ha so that say enti dudu na ye enti am buza say so na ye mfata say ye beko independence ye pray ho ko ya na ana say ade na tambia ji so omo abad in prayer be sie so ansa na ye timia discipline ho ya de say am yakọ de yeko it's a problem I have
yeah was solution no why but Eric Eric yes because Eric on
Doctor give me a solution
yes we are opponent naysayer anasa we de way fa ho she be na me hu de me bisa
ya man pani na
me bisa wasemo se me pani
se se opa kutiabo
some so ya mbo na kutia
akutia ni mnura
ose naysayers
skeptics
na skeptics
and opponents
yeah
we and your hin
say ya no de ye pani na yaje
wajiri nyina ato okay
tike na nado danko akufu ado ne Dr. Bawomi ho America krani akoye se we the lecturer kra na wo hai se school ni a osua de na semester naso no ascertain questions no the marking scheme aka ho no wa mark na wa prepare a report no the akoma na wo for say my yard akwada ne ha no ho kwa because in governance no tiki so be an criticize wa empanimfo se de wo twasa no ya na onim se na chiachia meboa enti ye tie konwa so ye de criticism na omode me na ebie ye pure insult kasayaw sama nyo ne ne such debate ba na ye be kan omo se we national issue ba ye tie konwa so na enye national na political issue na na do dan kwakufu ado wa betina konwa so 3 good years to idie wakobia da bia okwa ensam dada ya na oka enche o vice president kujina kumase eco score no 78%. Enche me the press where we chance and for presidency o san eco score ho but said the electoral canon wa my indicators ni nyina but empanimfo si krombe yoda enu botom And kanena na Dr. Bawumia opposition no. No more to so best economist meboa. But Dr. Bawumia so see for man who busa say we don sa show botom na esidien so. Enti no kan real economist na me mo mutidwa mu kanu. What I say gorgeous back one na we suen de no de atonchen because okofa Smith mu book o matro mo twere ne dada sa eno na esua ba oba form no wo yes o de no kwa you feel. Eno ntina Dr. Bawumia busa 170 questions ah. And ye busa na one question about CD dollar or CD bi ontimi ansa ya tinipa 40 abedwa ko si yam one no answer. That is the reality today. Enti ade na na ado aya o se chese omo criticizing no and de ye nyina ya ferry. Yes, ya ferry because under nanado excavator mako 500.
Meba ansa na obekọ excavator no. Wabobo niema
me so me bobo de ama ya ferry. Yes. Say me your political communicator. Offer woman topic me boa.
Okay.
And nanado ya ferry.
Ogitum say the oso waye.
Oh, so see ya ferry. Me my justification of the ya ferry. Yes. Me say ya ferry because under nanado in the history of our country aban bia ni wa wabetena konwa so caterpillar mako usi su besi ne sike wate ho mpani nsem da caterpillar o afidi a nipa ba ko entimi nkamfa kwan so enu mpo betu a gise de ka afoforo si wo befa no meboa mako ahenum ayira nti ya ferry Ghana for ya ferry se nanado ye president tike ya ferry energy sector na prof kase ana doc.
Oh, na we be do prof.
Yes, na doc ka say baby a aye ne fe ne say na wo hwe energy sector na ebo na ba form compared to other countries say de na wo ka no. Ba no no aso ya we say emre bi atwa mu kono ne ye wo how energy sector doc na meboa. Enti sa ban bia ba wo de niam atutu yi a tike unya ne better te say de odi atutu yi awie it a fact. And dum so enye president Mahama achievements one e de ba ban mu. Ebi aba pen ye papa kofo betina konwa so somewhere 2007 ebi buy me per report bi me pass menya na me de aba o show so me kai say ye indicate wo mu say ya anye ade papa bi amfa ye energy sector somewhere 2007 na emre edi yanim kono dum so be buy in a serious way e be ha o man no but yes a buy of the day no e hye buy no digu akwa mu by then nothing that time no kofo pens no ye de asofo okogina kosombo. Say ya mompa me ba say ya mompa ye mfre nyankopon say ensuo na eso ate no me ba
enye no nko
oh me ko ho tike you nim say me communicator say
we communicator but ya na yensu ye educate public
me tia say ye education ni tike asofo anko mompa me ba
me say
very good edum me say ko for pens dum so ba ye no ye de asofo ekogu mpoano say ya mompa ye mfre nyankopon na nsuo no bi ntongu punu na ebi nwu akosombom na nsuo no yede turbines na atiaba formal says me na ntimi run na ebi run ye free one ye kofa generators by nya na ye ka say toy generators o mo amaba mu mpanimfo say generators na amode aba na toy under Dr. Rekun Brobe mewa na ye betena konwa so ye betena konwa so ye hu energy crisis e wo ho mo man no President Mahama said it say answer na onu free Ghana konwa oteso no obe endi dum so. And don't forget, Kogana well. And Bawumia.
Only be adwin say eno ne crisis say a dear power Ghana had changed.
Oh, me challenge you. Me challenge you. Yes. Right, okay. As party no then affected. Tike the tia ye nyina say anyama hoden. Enti President Mahama so share Ghana for bo say onim say Ghana ye haw ni. Enti kwan bia obefa so asi ano no obesi ano. So we did a lot our energy sector. Enti say samre na ye wo haw mu no. Now we need resources. And the kwanya na Ghana for susu se betinyama anyama hoden bo aba form no tike na emma form. And ade ba ko na manage President Mahama ho no se oye pani na o ka no kre. On the timi ka kire Ghana for se na emamu ayeden. Mum ye nyina tighten your belt na ye ntene mu sa besi ne. Okofa sa World Bank IMF report ndi ye keka ho nyina ya. Omo se Ghana economy 2017 econo growth beba anameboa. Because oko oil sector the year was sankofa ne tenfold one name we inject $7 billion project oil you can say oil and gas sector at the end of the day na growth no ba obi ehu ana everyone will see e ba ne sensuo ye penso ye pi bandana nado the wo ya na o se no enye hwe no ofa kokofuti free education o kan be 7 minutes wa betina konwa so wa bobosia nko over 100 billion utie me injection the other free SHS in a 5.6 billion from 2017 budget to 2020 budget. Sikana aka no way. lecturer kasa no kan sem bi oman bi obe develop ya capital expenditure the other capital expenditure in the chest of money is serious na what you be ma mene ne papa to now the bi atua ne ba fees a enu nti no afia hia ni koko wantimi antum na kwani nusu a wosi matua oba fees what you be ma mene ne papa to now the bi atua ne fees 3 years na kwanye nti ne ma me ko wo no wantimi anu wa hwere ne nkwa wosi matua ne ba fees you should stop the analysis. But what we are telling you is
the essence of free education.
The essence
no just so but to ensure say Ghana for the donor
free education obi and the benefit of it.
All right.
Enti na ye nananom ne mpanimfo a etro 1992 constitution no hu so mfa so die say ye mfa nhye mu say ye kɔ yenim no e wo se ye kɔ ne nkakra ana meboa ene yakwa bedu
ko so ye kɔ nkakra in perpetuity.
Oh meti wa say ene perpetuity meti ase
afi be kwa kodo e bi kwa na afi university kra de no kra no so kra so ya ye
se e wo ho sa ba ni nyina ya ahoboa ana meboa tike won ade ba ko ne se o fiti ase pause pi nso a wan hwe yi na moja bia ba untimi sia no me se me ye obi a me support
Eric tike me ba na say dia wo sensitive ye so
okay
o tra ma wo se don bebre a
tike o da ma me kan bia tike me time so me da se tike enti dia me kan se President Akufo-Addo so se wa ye bia voter region ho a wo kɔ no nipa e wo ho nim because the oti voter region enim say President Mahama airport enti ono fili gadochi yankoka ono hu awu the oti voter region enim say UHAS University ye de koi the oti voter region enim say Eastern Corridor Road ni ye bi na ka kwan so e na aka ho be sin de the oti onim number of chief compounds ye see ye the oti onim district hospitals ayaye the oti onim polyclinics ayaye what am I say etinka President Akufo-Addo okoi ye all kind of speech na was started bo na voter for now say yes indeed moya ade na me de ma no be si form me de ma no si form na wo so pese
me kan asem kakra me call yi oti regional
yeah
na asema ko me kan se do bia na mo amanyofo no mo ho ahomete ko me kohwe akwan pa bisa na se nti ya na edu abato na MP fo yi huri dwamu ne ade no makɔgi posi abetena nkran nti ya na de no mo ka kira ban e wo so a enti akwan na ye huhu basasa
sa akwan no green book
I asked myself
say when this green book pepper soup road hohoi
we should up our game.
Yeah.
Oh no.
We should.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
oh,
2 minutes.
Hey, David. Oh,
2 minutes. Because Dr.
Producer,
Dr. can say
Tike into the American say aban bia ba oye adwuma te say de na omo kan de no but under nanado no one day ahotini gave us for no ne omo ye adwuma ye yete akonwa so ye kwaje bosianse ye de ye ka so interchange nanado president then opposition leader or say inflated circle or say inflated Kumasi airport just one day ahotini one wo baye o say on chere and the type of president and the vice aye wono because omo ye nkofo bia in opposition kasa na omo kan sonko ne ne ene de na mo so maye Monya na mo inflecting in Ghana for instance or money too capital expenditure what na kunya
just
almost so what we are saying is that President Akufo-Addo Ghana mpuntuo no doctor can say and the private sector doctor growth ticket say
doctor say
abaya waba na no ogu adwuma pakosi nduma adwuma
private sector
and wadani fi ewura ogu koma nduma nyina
so doctor can say me
doctor can enim dia na
doctor asem no kan no
and hanu na pese
ya kwa yin ya kwa dwene mo
was 122 million
we say doctor question
122 billion
na kan ne de next week mo asem beba
122 billion 122 billion
e
ka this jano
enye 122 120 billion
okay 120 billion
and they said
120 billion
they said
220 billion
within your 3 years for the sign
every year
within the year only more than 100
every
billion.
Year all right
because 20 billion is
corruption
well
20 billion what can I
body you say
afibia 4 years 80 billion
na me pese mu nyina mo de mo adwen ba so o say
we invest in corruption
yes Eric
80 billion interest.
me ka the next topic no when tia oba hwe onye bi o say
caterpillar no
yetimi maswa aya se eya na enti adekro na e ma ne basa no
NPP aban maswa andakofo kodu 2009 no ma be kuno and na say ya maswa ye de ko ye de be ko 4 times and dey be so say
small scale
mumie no nyina we no we ne dia no we next week ma so asem na me kan no wan twan nti we you ado no next week ma bi
prelims
well I was afraid we say for me nyina ase you page mu once again kodwa asare twebo akodua happy birthday kodwa asare e me ba na ye ne 18th birthday na 18th February you page mu ochina nyame ya aduma e be shebi next time we be late bia we be pra dem ansa na wa ba ha me yemu se me teacher
compound overseer
no my house captain and my duty nso so student on duty teacher on duty ni na my bida anti minimum
ba obet me ani say wa be late so obet me oh yes e man no say ice be 4
wa
and ka da be ka chiri especially say papa
e dem say for you page mu o tanya me ad me be san hye be dem ase